Hello, good morning everybody. My name is Arunkumar IA. I'm from Kodagu district, Kushalnagar, Karnataka, India. I have completed my MTECH in 2020. After the completion of MTECH in RV College of Engineering, I thought of doing a course on Java, since it was a booming technology. So I had to select institute. So after going through different institutes, after doing a research on it, I found JSPIDERS was one of the best. And also one of my friend who is working as a software analyst in Byju's told me that JSPIDERS Rajajinagar is best of the JSPIDERS, which has got different branches in different states or districts. So I chose JSPIDERS Rajajinagar and started my course on Java. The Java course had many subjects like web technology, SQL, core Java, and the aptitude, as well as the grooming sessions were provided in the institute. So coming for the web technology, it was handled by Mr. Syed Imran, where the class was very experimental. I learned about CSS, HTML and JavaScript basic concepts, and I developed static web pages on using web technology. The class of Syed Imran sir was very experimental. And coming for SQL, Mr. Bhuvan sir taught me about SQL, structured query language, with respect to the Oracle database, where I learned about different clauses and mainly the data query language and data manipulation language. The class was taught in very simplest and funny manner. The class was very everlasting. And coming for the aptitude class was taught by Mr. Lavanya sir. Until I joined the class, I was knowing to solve the problems. I was knowing to just solve the problems, but not in a easy manner. So he taught to solve the problems in easy manner using the lucky digit concept. Was one of the concept I learned after joining there, and the class was very entertaining and useful indeed. Coming for the Java, I learned only the Java core Java concepts since I got placed early. So core Java concepts like classes, objects, abstraction, and inheritance were taught. Classes, objects, inheritance, and encapsulation were taught by Keshav sir. He shared his 19 years of experience and taught and provided the class was very informative, where he shared his 19 years of experience, providing some very good real world examples. And the programming class of Sharik sir and the rest of the classes handled by Uday sir, that is abstraction and grooming sessions, as well helped me to crack the interview. And coming for the placements, the daily company review was provided weekly basis. I choose my slot where I fit into, my qualification fits into after 1 month of the course, and got selected immediately in my first opportunity. And glad to say that I'm working in a joint venture company of JSPIDERS, and with a good salary and the designation as per my qualification, that is Java full stack developer. Thanks for the trainers, and indeed it is reflecting in my career since now it is 1 month 10 days since my training started after I joining the company. And here my first and second mock ratings in the company reflects the trainers efforts from JSPIDERS who taught me. That is, I got excellent ratings in the 2 mocks held in my company. Proud to say that I have completed course in JSPIDERS, and as well as working in the joint venture of JSPIDERS. And all say that JSPIDERS, J stands for Java, and I say that JSPIDERS stands, according to me, J stands for jackpot. It's a complete jackpot of knowledge as well as the placement opportunity that they gave me. Thank you for the trainers and the HR persons, and thanks for one and all for listening to me. Thank you.